UMLA ka VPP na nongkrem ba Ardent melaba sayo moj ulabu Kylli Iing Dorbar bala ka Sorkar kan petlem yaki Jingeh ki Homeguard khamtam mi gitu ki bala trei la palat si postnem kum ki nong trei kontrak haba juba bhalor kani Menteri Katnat uba coming one omban kumju Menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke sama kila pentip baka kam jong ki Homeguard ka long bed baki trei sngi kata kin yo jing siu kat kum ki sngi baki trei henrei ula ong pat ba un sa shimkhia habayade baka Jingeh junki Homeguard kumbala kado dakaliang persha.
For the reply, so I have only one question. Since the Civil Defense and Homeguard Department is the provider of these volunteer to different department or organization, so don't you think that it is incumbent on the part of the department to take care for the interest and grievances of these volunteers, keeping in mind the nature of works that they had to perform? We were often told that there's always a delay in the payment of their salaries. They don't have any benefits as far as holidays are concerned. So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether it is not incumbent on the part of the government, the department, to take care for their grievances?
So I already replied with this discussor. This is purely temporary basis. Engagement by some requisitioning agencies only. We from the government, we try to find out ways and means to check the problem of this Homeguard volunteer.
Because sir, I am asking this on humanitarian point of view. We don't expect boys to perform duties for months and months without knowing taking care for the grievances. So since the department is the provider of these volunteers to different organizations, so don't you think that the government needs to take one step further to take care for the grievances in the form of...
It's very difficult for me to answer this because as per the Supreme Court ruling also, I just want to read one Supreme Court ruling. Some of the Homeguard Welfare Association that filed the case in the Supreme Court. It is also pertinent to the state that the civil appeal number 2759 of 2015 arising out of S/C number 12,858 2009 that this Krak Rakshak Homeguard Welfare Association filed the case against the state of Himachal Pradesh on order. The court made observation that no relief can be granted to the appellant either regularization or service of grant of regular appointment. Hence, no interference is called for against the judgment passed by the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Delhi High Court.
Mrs. Deputy Speaker, sir, I'll just supplement to the reply given by the Honourable Minister. Sir, the concerns of the Honourable Member are genuine, and obviously, sir, as a government, we also are concerned works with us and for us, sir. But as a government, we also have to follow rules and procedures that are set for different employments and different categories that are there, sir. And hence, as per the reply given by the Honourable Minister, these are, sir, totally, these are on daily wage basis, sir. So therefore, it's not that they have to work every day. It depends on the days they work, they will be paid, sir. And so it is, as I said, it is on the basis of the daily wage payments that is made to these particular individuals. And obviously, if somebody is not in a position to work, then they will not be forced to work. But of course, the payment also then will not be made, sir. So therefore, it is up to the individual to work, sir, and not to work.